Hello, in this video I will be showing you my Notion exam coach in action because someone asked for it in my latest LinkedIn post, so I decided to make the video now. Basically, to give you some background and context, this is a Notion custom agent that I've built to serve a specific purpose, which is basically to coach me through the Notion Certified Services Specialist exam, which is an official exam provided by Notion to those who want to become service or solution specialists, partners with Notion. Basically, I've completed the course. I've taken detailed notes from the course. I put them in a page in my Notion, and I built this custom agent with very specific instructions. I will show you the details, and then you will see. The goal is for this agent to coach me, to ask me questions, to simulate the exam questions and situation, and then to give me feedback, detailed feedback on my answers, why, if it's correct, why it was correct, if it's not correct, what I did wrong, and it also generates patterns so that in the actual exam in the future, whenever I see a question, I know the answer because of the patterns I will spot in the questions, because everything is patterns. Okay, basically you can apply this concept to any agents you want to build for any course. So this is really customizable once you understand what you need. Now, this is the instructions page. It specifically tells it to use a page, and this is very important. I have deactivated web access, and I've given it the course page where it should really draw information from, because I don't want external information to be a noise in this setup. Now, this is the type of questions it's going to ask me. And now there is a second part of questions, which are the pitch recording. And then there is also, these are just types of questions I will have in the actual exam. That's why. Now, I can start also a mock exam, which is a simulation of the exam if I put this command. And then these are the rules for login, because this agent is not only coaching me, it's also logging or recording the questions with all their information in a database. I will show you that in a minute. And then, this is the page for the instructions. I can put the page in the comments so that you can take it and customize it for your own needs. Now, this is the settings page where you just set up your triggers, and then the instructions go here, and then the access. You will notice that it has access to the actual course notes, and it also has access to the database where it's logging my questions, the questions it gives me, my answers, as you can see here, the topic, and then I also have here an AI-powered property that generates the coaching tips, that extracts them actually from the conversation, which is in here, which is in the rationale here. Now, this also gives me an idea on the chapters, and it gives me an analysis on, let me show you a conversation that I had earlier. So you see here, like, if I go a little bit up. Okay, so this is the course, these are the course chapters. Now, my level is, based on my answers, I am 100% accurate when it comes to chapter 5, chapter 4, and 89% accurate when it comes to solution build. However, I am weak for now in chapter 1 and chapter 2. So I am working right now on improving my accuracy rate in chapter 1 and chapter 2. So this is really focused work. It's based on data. I am not just revising or memorizing stuff by heart just because I don't know whether I will pass this exam or I will fail. Okay, and so now it tells me really what I should improve. Then I asked it, please focus on chapter 1 to help me improve. Now it starts asking me questions in chapter 1 and starts logging them again. So basically, let's see a real example here. Ask me a very quick question from chapter 2. Let's see chapter 2. In a few seconds, we will have our question. Okay, perfect. During a project kickoff, which of the following is the estimated weekly time committed for communications and enablement lead? Let's see. During the project kickoff, which of the following is the estimated weekly time committed for a communications and enablement lead? So I really don't remember this, so I will just go ahead with a B. I think it's more. It should be 4, I think it should be 4 or 3 at least. But yeah, I'm just demonstrating how demonstrating how the system works. Perfect. See, the correct answer is 3 hours. Okay, and now let me see. See the coaching tips? These are what I'm looking for. Anchor each role to its function. The comms lead need more time than the PM because they are actively designing change management plans and training, which makes sense. The tech lead has the heaviest load, which is 4 hours. And then now it's giving me a really valuable tip. It says that the sponsor time is always less than the PM time, which is less than the comms time, which is less than the tech lead. Okay, so this is very important. Sponsor, PM, comms, tech lead. Once I know the time required by each of them, I think the sponsor is 1 or 2 hours even. So yeah, you can deduct the time required by others. Now, let's see. Can you generate a report of my current accuracy and weaknesses and strengths? Sorry for the prompt, it's really bad, but here's your full performance report based on 36 logged attempts. 63 questions, 28 correct, 8 incorrect, accuracy is 70. I'm still far away from being ready. So now this has increased. This is perfect. And then my strengths are in solution delivery, which makes sense, by the way, because I've been doing delivery for a long time. So weaknesses to focus on: project kickoff and discovery, introduction to consulting services. Top 3 priorities to review are these. I think this is perfect. It's really amazing feedback. You're in solid shape overall, but yeah, my next target is 80% accuracy overall instead of 77. So yeah, I will be working on more questions, and you can do this with any course as long as you have the content or the notes or the material in Notion, or you give access to Notion to do that. And then you will always end up with your database that has the summary, so nothing really gets lost. See, if I want to revise, I will just revise from here instead of revising the text. So in here you see all of my incorrect answers. I can come to them directly, improve them, and then here you have by chapter all the questions and answers.